You ready?
Yeah.
Did you start it yet?
Yes, I did.
Okay, then here is Minecraft, and here's what I made. I made this thing. Yeah, that is a code, and yeah, that's something you can open the store with. But you can make whatever you want on this thing. You can make whatever you want, but like, you can make sand right there, and it makes sandstone. It makes sandstone. Yeah, it really makes sandstone because it does. And this is where torches go. Torches really go right there. Oh my goodness. I never noticed. No. Joe. You can also make whatever you want, and you can make sugar canes.
All right, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Smile. Smile.
Bye.